This episode dives into how AI detects facial expressions, voice cues, and in-game actions to infer a player's mood and tailor challenges. Experts note lightweight on-device models that reduce latency while protecting privacy, so the game adapts without breaking flow. A seasoned designer recounts an adaptive NPC that changes dialogue and goals as frustration rises, getting players back to fun. Researchers frame emotion modeling as a blend of signals, context, and ethics to honor player autonomy. For tech fans and casual gamers alike, the episode explains how emotion-aware AI could deepen immersion without overwhelming players.